everybody. I'm Alex Villasante at Boyds Mills, and I am here with Chris Tebbetts, one of our amazing faculty members for Just Do It. I just wanted to chat with you a little bit, Chris, and find out what Just Do It is all about and how is this a course workshop that really can help the creative person?
Um, at the end of the day, I think the bottom line thing that this course is about is helping people move from point A to point B on their work in progress, whatever that means for them. There has been some languaging around this course, Just Do It, about helping people finish their novels, and we have been really pleased in last a few of the iterations before us to see people actually do that, finish a novel by the end of the course. But that's just one example of how we can move people forward from wherever they are to where they want to get to.
And what's so great about that is some of the ways that they get there, whether it's that novel or just getting further on their writing journey, is that community they're building. Can you talk a little bit about the community aspect?
Yeah, the community is an interesting, I don't want to call it a byproduct because I don't want to minimize it. It's really
No, it's like the product.
a key part of what people get out of the course. That's right. It centers around a Discord board, which is optional, but many people participate in, and that's our online hub. But we also do community building through weekly lectures, through studio nights with Daria Peoples, which is like art for writers. And your mileage may vary, but I am not kidding when I say Daria turned me into an artist. I've been an artist for 3 years since my first studio night with Daria. That's a true story.
That is
Um,
that is quite a big promise, but I believe it. I know Daria, and I believe that she can turn anybody into an artist.
she
Um,
did.
yeah, one of the great things about Just Do It too is how it keeps people kind of honest in their work, sort of commitment to work if you're looking for that, because we know that being a creative, whether you're an artist or a writer or wherever you are on your journey, it's lonely. It can get really lonely. So having those sort of weekly check-ins and all of the wonderful things and all that you guys do and all the ways that you can plug in, it really supports that like forward momentum.
It really does. And I almost buried the lead. I would say that the thing that most supports that for those who participate in it are the writing sprints that we offer 7 days a week at multiple hours during the day. And for all of the teaching I've always done, the question for me before we sort of discovered this method was, okay, how can we move from the talking about their writing to actually getting people with their butts in chairs and actually writing? And the soft accountability that comes from getting together on Zoom, however often works for these folks, has been for the right people. I've heard the word magic thrown around. It really has, for me personally, and a lot of people I know, made a huge difference in actual productivity.
I think that's fair to say that Just Do It is magic. Thank you, Chris.
My pleasure. Boyds Mills is too.